Welcome to STA Exam Forum. This is first series for the General Knowledge Tier 1 exam, that is Nobel Prize and winners. So in this session, we will learn some facts about Nobel Prize and the fields in which this prize is given. And also we will see some youngest and oldest Nobel Prize winner, and we will also see who are the winners for 2 times Nobel Prize, okay, and we will also see the 3 times Nobel Prize winner, and afterward we will see Indian Nobel Prize winners, and we will have one interesting quiz, students, and that will definitely help you in acquiring some of the knowledge for this Nobel Prize, right? So about Nobel Prize, first thing you should know that this is annual international award. What does this annual mean? That it is given on every year 10th of December. Why 10th of December? Because this is the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel was the inventor of the dynamite, right, student? And there is one story about Alfred Nobel, which I don't think so you known to that story, okay. So the story is like this, that Alfred Nobel was very surprised to read his own death article on a French newspaper, and the title of that article was "Merchant of Death is Dead." Obviously, if you heard this type of article, if you are living, you will feel very disheartened, okay, but that was for his brother, not for him. So he thought that he should be remembered after his death, not like this, that the merchant of death is dead, right? So in order to the remembrance, what he did, he stated his will that 94%, yeah student, 94% of his total asset should be given to establish the Nobel Prizes, and it is meant for the great invention, discoveries, etc. Okay, so this is very good story about Nobel Prize. Coming to the fields in which it is given, remember student, there are 6 fields. Initially it was 5 fields, but in year around 1956 one more field, that is economy, is added. So what are those fields? Obviously physics, chemistry, medicine, peace, literature and economy. So there are 6 fields in which Nobel Prize or Nobel Award is given. And William Röntgen, you must have heard this name. He had discovered X-rays and he has received the first physics Nobel Prize in 1901. Okay, William Röntgen, he received the first physics Nobel Prize, okay, for his discovery of X-ray. Okay students, yeah, coming to the youngest and oldest Nobel laureates, the youngest Nobel laureate is Malala Yousafzai. She was 17-year-old when she was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize 2014, and the oldest Nobel laureate is Arthur Ashkin. He is 96-year-old student, and he won that Nobel Prize in year 2018 for the physics. And remember, Malala Yousafzai is the youngest and Arthur Ashkin is the oldest Nobel laureates as on the current date. Coming to the multiple Nobel Prize winners, there are 4 scientists got the Nobel Prize 2 times, and one organization got peace 2 times. And remember that Indian Red Cross Society won the Nobel Prize 3 times. This is very important question. Red Cross Society won the Nobel Prize 3 times. This is only the organization which has won the Nobel Prize 3 times. Okay students. So first one is the John Bardeen. He won the physics Nobel Prize in 1956 and 1972. He was the inventor of transistors. You must know about this John Bardeen, Shockley, okay. And Marie Curie is one of the famous name. She also won the Nobel Prize in physics as well as chemistry. And coming to the Linus Pauling, you will amazed to hear that he is the only person who has been awarded 2 unshared Nobel Prize. Means he has not shared prize among 2 or 3 people. He won the 2 Nobel Prize unshared. I repeat, 2 Nobel Prize unshared, one in 1954 for chemistry and other for peace in 1962. And Friedrich Sanger also won in chemistry in the same subject 1958 and 1980. And 3 times winner, remember student, Indian Red Cross Society, International Red Cross Society won 3 times Nobel Prize, right? Coming to Indian Nobel Prize winner, we can classify in 2 tables. Okay, first one is the Indian citizen who was born in India and lived in India, and other are overseas citizen of Indian origin who were born in India but was staying in different country. So who won the first Nobel Prize in India is Rabindranath Tagore. He won for the literature in 1913 for his poetic work for Gitanjali. Next, C.V. Raman, you know the Raman effect, he won in 1930. Then Mother Teresa, peace. Amrita Sen for economics. Kailash Satyarthi for peace in 2014. Coming to the overseas citizen of Indian origin, Hargobind Khorana for the medicine in 1968. Subramanyam Chandrasekhar for Chandrasekhar limit in 1983. And Venkatraman Ramakrishna for chemistry in 2009. Okay, these are the Indian Nobel Prize winner. Rabindranath Tagore won the first Indian Nobel Prize. Okay. So coming to the quiz, this will be very interesting. So the first question for you student is, first Nobel Prize was awarded in which year? Yeah, right. The first Nobel Prize was awarded on December 10th, 1901. Okay. The next question is, first woman to win Nobel Prize was Shirin Ebadi, Blackburn, Marie Curie or Mother Teresa? If you chose Marie Curie, you are correct. She was the first woman to win Nobel Prize. In fact, multiple Nobel Prize. She was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1903 for physics and 1911 for chemistry. Coming to the next question, Albert Einstein. Yeah, Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize for physics in 1921, especially for the discovery of what? A. Quantum mechanics, B. Photoelectric effect, C. General theory of relativity, D. Special theory of relativity. No, this is not the correct answer. General theory of relativity is not correct. The correct answer is photoelectric effect. As you know that he is best known for his relativity theories, but those theories were little understood at the time when this award was given. Okay, so he was given for the photoelectric effect. This is the easiest one. The youngest Nobel Prize winner who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 was Malala Yousafzai. Coming to the next question, which of the following field was not included as a Nobel Prize category at the time Nobel Prize was first established? Yeah, anyone? Yeah, economics. As I told you, economics was added later in 1968, right? Remember, economics was later added in 1968. Now again, this one is very good one. Which of the following famous physicists have not received a Nobel Prize: Albert Einstein, Shizuke Nakamura, Enrico Fermi, and Stephen Hawking. Yeah, Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking has not yet received a Nobel Prize. Which of the following novelists declined to receive Nobel Prize for Literature? The correct answer is Jean-Paul Sartre. He got that Nobel Prize for Literature in 1964, but he declined because he had consistently declined all other official honors, right? And this one is also important. The maximum number of people who can share Nobel Prize is 4, 3, 2, 6. Yeah, student? Yeah, 3 is the correct answer. Next is the founder of Nobel Prize, Alfred Nobel, was a citizen of which country? Sweden, Hungary, Switzerland, Germany. If you told Sweden, the answer is correct. The correct answer is Sweden. Alfred Nobel was a citizen of Sweden country, right? And this one is also easy. The former Nobel Prize award ceremony take place on which day every year? Yeah, December 10. So that's all for student right now. If you like this video and you want me to continue, please click on subscribe button and just like it. Thank you. Have a good day.